How to mention groups on WhatsApp status. In this video, I'll show you how to mention groups on WhatsApp status. So to get started, go ahead and open WhatsApp and then head over into the updates tab. So in here, you can go ahead and create updates for your WhatsApp account. Now, once you're on the updates tab, go ahead and click on this add status button and then in here select text. So on the text tab, you can go ahead and simply write the name of the group in your status. So shout out to group 1, for example. You can also tag individual members. You can mention individual contacts by name in your status text or image. And then you can also use emojis or inside jokes. So if your group has a shared joke, emoji, or phrase, use that in your status to signal it's for them. And then that is how you can basically mention groups on WhatsApp status. So it can be by group or it can be by username on your status.